Hello everyone, welcome to VBA Advanced. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to delete a module from your VBA project through code. So if you have a file and if you want that file to delete its module itself, you can do it. You are distributing your work to someone and you want it to work for certain days, say 30 days, and after 30 days you want that your macros get deleted, or if you are going to send an email and you want that the sheets should go but not your macros, then how to do it. So let's go and see the commands. The commands are simple. Set vMyControl is equal to Application..VBE.ActiveVBProject.VBComponents. First you have to use this, and then using this vMyControl, then you remove the module 2, okay, or any other module 1, module 2, whatever the name is of your module. So let's open and let me get out of your way. So if I go to Visual Basic, you can see I have this module 1 and I have this module 2, but I have this menu maker also. Let's delete this first. I will go to Excel add-ins and uncheck this menu maker, and now I have only one file. So I want this module 2, which has nothing actually, test module. So I want to remove module 2. I go to module 1 and I have these two commands which I showed you earlier. So let's run these, and it is done. It should not be done. There is a problem. There is a problem. What is the problem? Let's see. Let's insert a new module. Let's try to delete this now. So if I run this code now, so this should not get executed because VBA is saying programmatic access to Visual Basic projects is not trusted.